Hello students, welcome to our online class. Today we have discussed exercise number 2 of class 4th. Number 1, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word. Dex is an icon that provides easy way to open a file or a folder. The answer is shortcut. Dex is an application used by Windows operating system to browse folders and files. The answer is File Explorer. Number C. The start button is displayed at the desk corner of the screen. The answer is left. When two or more programs can run together, it is called. The answer is multitasking. Number E. Microsoft Windows is a DEX operating system, that is GUI operating system. So students, now we discuss question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number A. We cannot create a folder in Windows 10. False. When we click on the minimize icon, the window shrinks to the taskbar. True. When you double click on this PC icons, you can open it. True. We cannot create shortcuts for files and folders. False. Multitasking cannot be done with Windows 10. False. Number 3. Tick the correct options. The default drive of a computer is C. To open a file, just DEX click on file or folder you want to open, double. Number C. DEX give access to the files and folder which are used most of the time. The answer is the frequently used folder section. Number D. DEX gives you access to documents and pictures and storage devices. The answer is the navigation pane. Number E. The DEX button is used to close the window. The answer is close. Now, number 4, match the following. These are the symbols and these are the name of this symbol. First one, that is minimize. B, maximize. C, close. D, restore down. And E, that is start. Okay. Question number 1. How many icons are present on the title bar? There are 4 icons present on the title bar of Windows 10. Number B. Which key is used to delete a file or a folder? The delete key is used to delete a file or a folder. Number C. How can you move files from one location to another? The cut and paste options are used to move files from one location to another. Number D. How can you select multiple files? Point number 1. Click on the first file and then press and hold the control key. Point number 2. While holding down the control key, click on each file you want to select. Number 2. Long type question. How can you create a folder in Windows 10? Point number 1. Right click on the desktop away from the icons. Point number 2. Select the new options from the shortcut menu. Point number 3. Select folder from the submenu. Point number 4. Type the name of the folder and then press the enter key. Number B. Why is Windows 10 called a multitasking operating system? When 2 or more programs can run together, it is called multitasking. In Windows 10, we can open MS Word as well as Windows Media Player at the same time. Number C. Write the steps to select multiple files. The steps are: open a folder from which you want to select multiple files. Point number 2, from the home tab, click on select all. Question number D. List the steps to move and copy files folders from one location to another. First points, to move copy files and folders from one location to another. First, select the files or folders. Right click on one of the selected files and then select cut and copy from the context menu that appears. Point number 3. Now open the folder where you want to paste the cut copy file and then right click away from the icons and select the paste option and then select the paste option from the menu. So students, thank you for watching this video.